Hi guys, good morning. My name is Onyeka Okonkwo and I help the professionals, 9 to 5ers, become the boss of their money through financial literacy, giving you actionable financial tips and encouraging wealth growth through investments. So this morning I was reading something and something came to mind. So I'm going to quickly read that out and then just talk about it quickly. It's from Proverbs chapter 23 from verse 20 to 21 and it says, "Do not join those who drink too much wine or gorge themselves on meat, for drunkards and gluttons become poor." The system we say in Nigeria we say enjoy yourself. So try the chop because problem no they finish. And why this may seem like very wise advice, it's not. Yes, we should have fun. Yes, we should enjoy ourselves. And yes, we need to cool off after a hard day at work. But we find out that if you spend so much time, every Friday you hang out with your colleagues and your friends, you go to a bar, you have a drink, you have meat, you have fresh fish, you do this on a regular basis, it becomes a huge income drain. Maybe take some time for the next 1 month, just get your financial statements, your bank statements from your bank. You can get it through your mobile app. And then just, do a tally of how much you spend just hanging out with your friends. And you saw that so much of your income just went down the drain because you ate it. You literally spent it on something you were eating. So here's something we can do instead. The economy is really crazy this period, and inflation is on a rise constantly, and the naira is on the free fall. So prices of goods and services are extraordinarily high at the moment. So what we need to do right now is either increase our income or tighten our purse strings. I encourage tightening your purse strings first, even if you have to increase your income. Otherwise, you're just going to end up spending so much money when you earn more. So here's an alternative to hanging out with your friends every Friday. Rather than do that, why don't we plan for enjoyment once a month? And rather than going out with our friends and having the drink, why don't we plan to have it at home? So, rotate it among your friends. Let's say you're a group of 5 friends. You can just rotate it. This month, you'll converge in one person's home. Everybody brings something along, a drink, a food, meat, all of that, games, and just have fun in-house. This week, cost is spread and everybody chips in a bit of something, and then the next month you go to the next friend's house and do the same thing. Okay, so how do we manage our incomes on this point? I always encourage having a percentage of your monthly income set aside to enjoy yourself, and it could be what I just advised, hanging with your friends or seeing a movie. You can do that together, or go to the beach together, anything like that. So this will significantly reduce your spending at a very huge amount. It will reduce your spending. It's just something to keep in mind as you go through your day. And I'll see you guys again tomorrow with something else. I hope that you find this useful and that it helps you become the boss of your money rather than your money being the boss of you. Bye guys. Have fun.